Alright, so hello everyone. This is again Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan, and this is the last part of the computation on how to improve the Net Promoter Score. So as you can see in your screen, the current NPS that we have is 47. And our goal is to make it 58. So how we did this? Alright. So the first step is, the goal is that how can we be able to convert the 6,578 number of respondents that was when the ticket was resolved in 3 to 4 days? Alright, so how can we convert these respondents? What will be the NPS then if we can be able to resolve these tickets in 0 to 2 days instead of 3 to 4 days? And as you can see, there will be an addition of 3 in the NPS. Alright? Moreover, if we can be able to resolve 9,878, 8,768 tickets to 0 to 2 days, what will be the additional NPS that we can have? Alright? So as you can see currently, when the tickets was resolved in 3 to 4 days, the NPS is 43. And when the ticket was resolved in 5 to 6 days, the NPS will become negative 26. And when the tickets was resolved in more than 7 days, the NPS will become negative 32. So this is not a good score for the company. So what we are going to do is to provide an action item. What will be our business approach? So the business approach is we need to convert, or we need to resolve these tickets as soon as possible, as immediate as possible, so that there will be no tickets resolved more than 3 days. Alright, so I hope you are getting what my goal here is. Alright, so the first step is to get the weighted score of the 8,976 of the resolution days, which is 0 to 2 days. And then the calculation, the weighted score is at 0.000445633. Alright, so the next step is that after computing the weighted NPS for 8,976 number of respondents to 0 to 2 days, okay, so we need to multiply this to 6,578, and we will be having an additional NPS of 3. Alright, so moreover, 0.000445633 multiplied by 9,878, there will be an additional of 4 in the NPS. And for 8,768 multiplied by 0.000445633, there will have another 4 in the NPS. Alright, so the projected NPS is simply, so the first 0 to 2 days, so we need to copy, which is 47 in the NPS. And then 47 plus 3, why 3? It's because we already converted the 6,578 to 0 to 2 days. Alright, so there will become, it will become 50, and then 51, 51, and 58. Alright, so this is now the glide path. Okay, so as you can see, as we be able to resolve tickets per different SLAs or days of resolution, there will be a lift in the NPS. Alright, so I hope you guys be able to understand the logic behind the calculation of the lift in the NPS. Alright, so thank you very much and have a great day.
Ginulat mo ako ng start. Nagsalita ka, ginulat mo ako.
Ganun talaga, 4 minutes.